really pumped. Bike's all saddled up, we're ready to hit the highway. 6-day tour, here we come. Fast and Curious is back on the road. Got all the supplies that I need. Pretty much 6 t-shirts, laptops, camera gear. I travel fairly heavily. Let's hit the road. All aboard! Hey guys, we're on tour. How exciting. 5 minutes from home, and a beautiful, beautiful day we've got today. Check it out. Gorgeous blue skies. You know, what more could you ask for? And we're heading north. We're heading up to the Sunshine State, up to Queensland. And I actually don't even know how far I'm going to get today. It's currently just on 7 a.m. I've been up, believe it or not, since about 4:35. If I can make it to Tweed Heads, that would be awesome, which is pretty much, well, really half an hour from the Gold Coast. It's pretty much the whole ride, which is, you know, about 800 kilometres. But we'll see how I go, and there's no rush. I've got the first service booked in for 10:30 tomorrow morning. I've got to be careful though, because that's Queensland time, which is actually 11:30 Sydney time, because Queensland don't have daylight saving, so they are, for 6 months of the year, 1 hour behind New South Wales. I was hoping to get on the road probably about an hour earlier than this, because the traffic's starting to build up. It is Monday morning, so peak hour traffic and stuff like that. The only thing that is good is I'm heading north, so, you know, heading in the opposite direction, hopefully. This screen is amazing. You know, just wind buffeting gone. Very, very happy. Check out this fog. Looks amazing coming over the Mooney Bridge. So cool, like you're riding in the clouds. The wind buffeting I was thinking about, this is just so much better. I think what the Road Glide does a better job of than the Street Glide is the wind that comes up from the forks. I don't know if it's just the CVO or the Special as well. There is an extra spoiler or fairing on the CVO. I don't know if that sort of helps as well. But when I put my hand down around the tank, there is so much less wind blowing up towards my head than there was on the Street Glide. Massive amount less. That's my thought for this 5 minutes. Done my first sort of 150 Ks. I'm just coming into the back of Newcastle. I'm going to drive up to a little bit further to a place called Heatherbrae, get my morning coffee. It's going over this little bridge called the Hexham Bridge. First stop, Heatherbrae, which is about half an hour north of Newcastle. Just had some brekkie, morning coffee, and heading north now to Sunshine Coast. Next stop, Taree. Beautiful day, lucky with the weather so far, fingers crossed. And let's hit the road. Bike is travelling like a dream. Just a quick 5-minute rest stop and then back on the highway. Done probably about 300 Ks maybe, 350 Ks.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. I feel you drifting.
680 k's in, and exhaustion is definitely here. It's been a big day. We've been on the road since 7:30. It's now 5:30. Another hour and a half to go, so a little bit disheartening. I thought I was a little bit closer, but anyway, doing good. So I'll hit Tweed tonight, which is good. So yeah, smile, sun's out, no rain, good weather. Yeah, I'm just at that end of the day. Big day in the saddle today, and looks like this arrow is going into my head. Look. Oh. Anyway, big day in the saddle today. 850 k's. It's the biggest day I've ever done in the saddle. Anyway. Good morning. Well, late start this morning. Heading up now to get the first service. Over to my left here is the beautiful Tweed River. I'm of course in Tweed Heads. I pushed right on through yesterday, so love Tweed Heads, gorgeous part of the world, and it's the furthest town in New South Wales as we come to the border of Queensland. So in fact, half of the main street of Tweed Heads is in New South Wales, and I believe the other side is effectively Queensland. So there are shops, you know, when there's a change of time, 6 months of the year they're on the same time, and 6 months of the year New South Wales has daylight saving, so they're 1 hour in front. So interestingly enough, half the shops on one side of the street operate to a different time to the other, or something like that. It's quite funny. But there's our border crossing. There we go, we've jumped the state lines into sunny Queensland. Woo! I've just picked up the bike, had it serviced. So first service done, tick, and now we don't have a lot of time left in the day. It's about 2:30, it's about 2:45, something like that at the moment. So bike is taking us out through a place called Bow Desert, and then I'm hoping there is a bit of a, you know, they call it a scenic rim around this area. So hopefully it'll get us into some nice scenic areas. This is Canungra. In and around the Tambourine Mountain. That's what I wanted.
To the Pacifica shoreline, and I'll go anywhere if you'll be by my side. It's alright, we'll leave everything behind. And I'll say, follow me to the unknown. We'll take the back roads we don't know. Let's get lost, one tank of gas, don't need a map. Drive too fast, you're my North Star, you're my home. Doesn't matter where we go. Follow me to the unknown. 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 I'll keep you up with all my stories. Lose control when I make you laugh. And I'll go anywhere cause you're right by my side. It's alright, cause we left everything behind, just you and I. Follow me to the unknown. We'll take the back roads we don't know. Let's get lost, one tank of gas, don't need a map. Drive too fast, you're my North Star, you're my home. Doesn't matter where we
outside Ray White's original shed. Isn't it just magnificent? I've got the keys, so let's go and check it out. Sun's out, rain stopped, and beautiful day, very lucky.